everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I am continuing my ongoing quest to get more winter interest containers planted. Now I have unpotted these 3 white pots, and I'm going to move these from this north side of this fence to the fire pit area. And I've decided that I can't keep these blueberries watered well enough in these small hanging baskets. So I'm going to transplant both of these into pots, and in the center one I'm going to do a hardiness trial of this new variety of Hydrangea macrophylla from the Endless Summer collection. I don't think I'm allowed to give you the specific name of it yet, so we'll just keep it at that. But I'm going to do this as a trial to see how it survives in a pot outside all winter unprotected. So I'm also going to include just some simple things with violas and some cabbages along with all these things. And I think really they're going to be quite pretty and provide, you know, a fair amount of winter interest for the upcoming cool season. So let me get started filling these up with soil cube so I can get my planting done. Well, I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow to move these into place, but I'm really pleased with how they've turned out, and I think they're going to be bountiful and beautiful, the exact description of a foodscape container. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to create some of your own, and be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy gardening.